Hi everyone and welcome back to CraftiWorks. Today I'm excited to share a super simple and creative DIY greeting card idea. This one is perfect if you're looking for a quick but thoughtful way to send a handmade card to your loved ones. First, I started by painting a circle on the card using brown acrylic paint. I played around with white to mix 3 different shades of brown, which gives the card a beautiful shaded effect. After that, I drew a simple geometric shape right over the painted circle. This will be our stitching guide. Now to make stitching easy, I used my embroidery needle to poke small holes along the drawn lines. This step makes it much easier to sew through the card. This project is so easy and quick, plus it's a great way to give a personal handmade touch to any greeting card. You can gift it for birthdays, holidays, or just to brighten someone's day. You don't need any advanced stitching skills, just a bit of creativity and love.